Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix if your geometry dash is not opening in your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So let's get started without wasting any time. Firstly, what you need to do is just simply hot reboot your phone and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is like this, then what you need to do is just simply open setting and then scroll it down from here, and then you have to tap on general and then scroll it down, and from here you have to tap on iPhone storage, and from here you have to search for that app. You have to search for geometry dash, and from here what you need to do is just simply offload the app and then reinstall it and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem selects like that, then what you need to do is just simply open app store, and from here what you need to do is just simply search for update. If any update available here, then you have to update this one. So you have to search for geometry dash, and from here what you need to do is just simply check here if an update available here, then you have to update this one and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem select this there, then what you need to do is just simply hold this one, and from here what you need to do is just simply remove the app, and after that what you need to do is just simply restart your phone and then you have to reinstall the app. So after doing all these things, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.